greetings to all. Myself Harishri SS of Team C from NVKS Vidyalaya Vettuvanni to present my research material on the topic Technology Challenges and Solutions in Rural Agriculture and Technology Challenges and Solutions in Waste Management. First about rural agriculture. A land which is used for agricultural purposes and located in an area other than area specified as urban land is known as rural agriculture land. Agriculture is the backbone of many rural communities, providing income and employment opportunity for local people. Agriculture is said to be the main source of income for farmers or people living in the rural areas. Rural areas result in a greater sense of relaxation, but on the negative side they are often poor and lack of services. Technology challenges in rural agriculture. Lack of knowledge and training. Farmers may not have the knowledge or training necessary to operate drones effectively. Low productivity. Due to the advanced techniques and also advanced technology, it creates demand in income and also yield. Crop disease and pests. So due to the modern machineries or modern technology, the crops are getting more damage. Next, infrastructure development. Due to the low technology, it creates demand in transportation services and also storage facilities, which will affect the overall supply chain. Solutions for these problems are infrastructure development. Developing the infrastructure including transportation and also storage facilities, so the overall supply chain will get improved. Government policies. Government can also implement more policies and the financial mechanisms so that the farmers can get the technology, that is farmers can easily afford and accessible to the technology. Communication. Improvement of communication through smart devices and also mobile phones. Educating farmers. Education is also very important for the rural or poor farmers. So in making any decision for the rural agriculture, it would make a very big role. Next, about technology challenges and solutions in waste management. Waste management refers to the various schemes in dispose and manage of waste. It can be done by discarding, processing, reusing, recycling, etc. The prime objective of waste management is to remove the unusable materials. Different activities also include monitoring, disposing, etc. Challenges in waste management are collection and disposal infrastructure. Next one is ineffective recycling or composting. Due to less recycling facilities, larger volume of waste are being dumped to the landfills. Next, lack of technological advances. This means that the less amount of cost-efficient technology for dispose and manage of waste. Solutions for these problems are new technologies. That is, we can implement new technologies for removing these waste. Garbage collection. This is the best solution, that is picking up waste once or twice in a week and taking it to a disposal site. Avoid single-use food or drink containers and utensils. Now advancements in Internet of Things and also artificial intelligence are boosting day by day, boosting the waste management technique also. So in the conclusion, I would like to tell that technology is a double-edged sword. Technology helps us to connect with others, access to internet, then medical care, etc. But on the negative side, it also led to job loss, cyberbullying, technology addiction, etc. So it is crucial to use technology to wisely take its advantages, while we have to neglect the disadvantages also. Thank you.